guys, good morning. This is Jay. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is a bar chart and we are going to create a stacked bar chart. So, what is the difference between a bar chart and a stacked bar chart? The question comes in. Maybe it's not visible now, but I really like this is the horizontal bar chart. This is the stacked bar chart, and this is the side by side bar charts. Now let's go for stacked bars. How do we create a stacked bar? Look at the requirements here. One or more dimension or one or more meshes is required in order to get a stacked bar. The same thing applies here. Let's start here. Let me take category and then the quantity. On top of this, what I have is, look at it, the stacked bar is available now. If I click a stacked bar, look at it here, what I achieved is a simple category, different category, technology, office supplies and other things comes in. On top of it, this seems to be a one bar, but one bar represents the inference of other properties of category. This is one idea. Now let me take something else, like let me take subcategory and then plot it into columns. Cool. They're going to be like, yeah, this may not be the right inference because the category has been happening this way. Now I would take subcategory and then plot it into colors and then category into rows. This might work. Cool. Yeah, this becomes a stacked bar, a perfect example. On top of it, look at it here. Maybe again the difference comes in, lot of color comes in, maybe like difficult to info because look at it here, one bar consists of 4 colors, the different color comes in this way. It might be difficult for us to info because like that is not recommended, and also the recommendation is always that whenever you have here one categorical label which has a 4 or 5 of different labels, that is good to go with. So I'm taking off subcategory, I would plot the date so that we will be getting 4 or 5 years, ship date into colors. Cool. Yeah, look at it here, this is 2017, 2016, 2015, 2014. Cool. Look at it here earlier. Now we get this one, like we got 5 different set, but I really like the fifth color is not being visible. It's because that the 2018 doesn't have any property of this one. Maybe like only we have it here is basically the very low value 97 comes in. Even here it's not that visible, so that's a simple stacked bar, simple as that. Okay, on top of it you can do whatever the scenario comes in, maybe like this category level. On top of it, I don't want a category level, let me go for a subcategory level. I would plot it here, I would take the category out. Yep, this makes even better sense, I guess. So binders, and then within binders 2018 42 quantity has been happened there, so only 2018 contributed much of binders category, simple as that. So this is what the simple inference of a stacked bar chart. Cool. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.